work. The tips give it like a little.
Oh man, just chilling. Tight bar. Anyways, on my way to get an oil change and maintenance done to this car. It's the first one I do with this car. Yes, sir. What it do? What it do? YouTube? This is your boy Richie back at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to everybody that's watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do 2 things. Do 2 things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day. I'm on my way to go get my maintenance done to this car, which is needed because I don't feel like it was actually done when I got the car. So it's time to take things into my own hands, get this car situated, get it ready for the road. And yeah, you know how it is, man. We out here in Walnut Creek. We're going to the Walnut Creek Honda. They are the best around with the pricing for maintenance and oil changes. So it's only right that we go. You dig. Let's look at Type. That Type R is sick. Nice car, nice Type R. That Type R is sick right there, I ain't gonna lie. But anyways, McLaren over there, boy. I'm telling you, look at this. Jaguars, McLaren's, everything. If you guys want to get supercars, you come here. Goddamn Bentleys. Out here in the Bay Area, Walnut Creek is the car area. If you guys want supercars, high-end cars, you're on that type of budget, come out here, man. Come see them, man. There's so many dealerships out here that sell exotic cars, which is awesome, man. Now, like I said, we're on our way to the Honda dealership, get them the car maintenance, get it checked out, get the fluids taken care of, because this car has no type of oil in the car like that. So I just got some emergency stuff to pour in, but I'd rather them take care of it and see what's going on, man. Other than that, everything is looking cool. So we're gonna pull it to the dealership and we're gonna see what's here. You know what I'm saying? The homie John is here. Shout out to John. He's the sales manager for Walnut Creek Honda. But like I said, man, we have to come out here, and it's like 20 minutes away from my home, but I'd rather come to this dealership. I actually like this one. They do better service to me. Just my preference, and everybody else is kind of overtaxed for like maintenance. So we here though. Anyways, you guys check out the merch, you know what I'm saying? Rocking Immortal Society, dig. We got new merch dropping every day. To make sure you guys go down below and check the video out. No, go down below this video, go to the link, check out the website, man. We got a lot of stuff for sale, man. If you don't got no money, you only got like $6-7, go check the site, man. We got some decals you guys can order and put stickers on whatever the hell you want to put it on. But yeah, we right here around the corner. We got to enter the back, and let's see how it goes. And it's funny, every time I only been here yesterday, but when I came here last time, there was so many people just staring that works at Honda. So we're gonna see their reactions, because when I come in, it's like they stop looking at the other little Civics and the Accords that's in there, and then it's like all the eyes just looking at my car like, what the fuck, you know what I'm saying? That's how we do it. We break necks and we take attention. So let's go to the dealership. From the back. To enter, we have to go this back way. Look at that Integra right there. There's a little Integra right there. But we're pulling into the service. Let's get in here, yo. Playboy. That sound like Zosh when he says Playboy. And then we are in the door, baby. We in there, baby. Oh yeah. Let's see. So now we are here. It's time for me to get my stuff. Let me see. All right, cool. All right, how you doing, sir?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good.
How can we help you today?
I had an appointment at 10:15.
Right back.
Okay, no problem. Okay. All right, y'all. So we are here, about to get this car serviced. First time getting this car serviced, but they got to play around with the key. Anyways, let me get my charger. Let me get my stuff. Let me get this. Getting the oil change. Right. All right, y'all. So now I'm finally letting it get done. Gotta get the goddamn car done. But anyways, I'm about to go see what they got over here. I got my lap teasy. You know what I'm saying? And we are about to see if they got any Oh my God, they got a Type R right there. It's a Type R over there. But this is where the homie John works at. Shout out to John. Sales manager, you dig? So they really don't be having too much on this lot, but they can get whatever they want. Check out the merch though. It's Moral Society, baby. Woo! Let me see what else they got. They don't have nothing here. I don't see no Type R. I don't see nothing. But I see a Type R being repaired. But anyways, hella excited. Today's another day. Chasing goals, chasing dreams, man, making things happen. After I leave here, I have to rush to my friend's house. My homie, he got his company going on. He's gonna rewrap my whole roof. My roof is trash right now. That shit looks so horrible. So he's gonna rewrap my roof, and yeah, it's about to be litty. It's about to be litty, but it's not that many cars because they don't really have that much selection to really show you guys here. But yeah, so my car should be done within like 30 to an hour, 30 minutes to an hour. But yeah, man, super excited. Getting this car finally oil changed. I'm thinking about coming down to Los Angeles. So if you guys are, any of my subscribers are in the Los Angeles area, let me know, man. I'm thinking about coming down there within probably another 2 weeks. I got to come out there to get this thing done for the car. The splitter going down to Downforce Solutions. So definitely thinking about hitting up Los Angeles. If you guys in LA area, let me know. I want to hit up a car show, hit up a car meet, and see what's up, man. But don't see nothing really interesting, so I'm gonna go to the guest room and edit the video that's uploading right now. So make sure you guys smash the thumbs up and like. And then after we leave here, like I said, we got to go get the roof rewrapped. And then tomorrow, my brother is going to be getting his Moral Society banner. We're going to keep that updated, but I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So the roof, the maintenance went well. Just got the car oil changed. Everything is good. Probably just like one little thing with something they seen that I got to deal with, kind of involving the power steering. Nothing wrong with it right now, but pretty sure I got to look at it in a minute though. But other than that, everything went well. So we're on our way to the crib. But before I stop at the crib, got to get my roof rewrapped, because the roof wrap I put on by myself is horrible. It's better than the original paint, but that's horrible. The black is all peeling, so the homie's gonna do the whole roof, and he's gonna do it the nice way. So about to get this shit taken care of right now as we speak, and we'll be good. But right now, I ain't gonna lie, this car feels so much better with the oil change. So I'm liking it. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. He just wrapped this whole car. Last time you guys seen the video, it was a blue Corvette. He just redid this whole thing. Oh my God, it looks so badass. Wow, this is dope. Check out this Mustang. It's sick too. Damn, this is dope. He just gave me ideas. I want to do something I'm gonna do on the car before I leave. So right now he's reworking on the roof. The roof is horrible on the car. So as you guys can see on the roof, it is ugly. So I messed it up. I did bad. He's gonna revamp it, and I'm gonna show you guys how it is. Make sure you guys go holler at him to get any wraps. He just wrapped this whole car. This is pure blue. As you guys see right here, it was all blue. He rewrapped this whole thing. So make sure you guys go down below. Matter of fact, on this video, I'm gonna give you his Instagram. Make sure you guys go holler at him. He do vinyl wraps. He does everything, man. Look at this. It's awesome. He actually like made it like the picture. And that's what he did to the car. It's insane. Insane.
Nismo. GTR still, I still get a GTR, but I think I gotta get a Nismo. I might get a Nismo and a GTR and say fuck it, and they go big chapter 7. I might do it.
Oh my gosh, man. Oh, somebody did tell me you gotta make a video. You gotta start making videos. Oh, they said tell your brother to make a channel. I'm like, I already told him, but he lazy. He don't want to do it. You can't force somebody to do it. But I was like, shit, you can make one every Saturday. Just make a video.
Go in the comments and shit.
And not even that. Sometimes you can just talk about your car after owning it for a week or so. You can talk about, you know, just little things like that. Tips you can tell somebody that don't know about the car. But this car is insane, man. I'm flooring the fuck out of this motherfucker. This shit drives so fucking good. I ain't gonna lie, this made me want to get the goddamn Nismo, man. A lot of y'all keep telling me. Whoa! Fucking bitch in her throat! Oh! I gotta get a Nismo. Oh! I gotta put y'all down because I'm gonna go here soon. Oh! Son the Don over there scared on his little nutsack. Man,
I got my own shit, bro.